Welcome back. I'm Todd from Greenpointe to another one of our great how-to videos. Now here's a trick you're not going to want to miss. We're all really familiar with this American Standards RS16 DC, which is a 16-inch dust control buffer. Very, very popular buffer. The one complaint I get on this buffer is the skirt that it comes with from the factory, which is that little piece of fabric that goes around here and just velcros to itself. Well, if you've ever had one, you know what happens. You hit the wall a few times and it goes to shreds, or the guys lose it, and they're $75 to replace. So guess what? We figured out that the Bona skirt comes off of the Bona buffer, will fit right on your Clark buffer. Pop it around like that, pull it down into place, and ta-da! You've got a brush type skirt, elastic, pops off and on really easy, and you know what? This thing's like less than 70 bucks, guys. So, when you're ready to order one, give me a call. Thanks so much, and if you enjoy our YouTube videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can see the next one.